Hello, this is Eric of Not BIOS. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the iRig mic video. Now I'm going to be doing many different tests. I'm going to test with a digital camera. I'm going to test with a cell phone as well as a PC. In fact, right now I'm using the Rode Wireless Go with this device to actually make this wireless. So the question is this worth your time and money? Well, let's find out. So here's the box for the iRig mic video. It shows made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. However, this works with Android devices and of course a digital SLR. Nice, simple black box. Open the top tab. Comes with a booklet of some sort. Okay, so you slide this through. And it shows what your box contains. Inside the box, we have the microphone. This right here is where it'd go onto your phone. Camera out for audio, your gain level, sound level. Oh, headphones. Device USB. This will be for your phone. Inside the box we also have USB to Lightning. USB, micro USB that is. Couple of plates, your wind muff made of foam, and an audio jack from your camera to the device. So during my unboxing, I missed a cable, a Type-C. I didn't realize it was in the box till actually a day after. And then we also have this small box that's inside there. And in here, I see it right now, screws on to here. Bottom part, your hot shoe, and screws on here. Awesome. And there's nothing else in the box. As for your included cables, here's your micro USB. This cable is micro USB to the mic, to Lightning, to your phone. And here is your audio jack from your device mic to your digital camera. Type-C allows you to flip the cable either direction, and this cable is 1.5 feet long, being longer than most other ones. Here's a close-up of your iRig mic video. Right now I have the camera shoe attached to it, and this is how you tighten it to your camera shoe. Your wind muff simply slides on. Nice. One thing to note is this mic does not include a battery in it. You have to go out and buy a 1632 battery to fit inside. And the battery carriage is up in here. I've tossed the battery in, and that battery is needed should you want to connect it to a digital camera. This device is powered by your phone or even by your PC. Now, let's get started with the review and see how this unit is. This is a directional audio sound test. We are now in front of the microphone. And at the back. So you might wonder, what is the point of this test? It is to show noise rejection. This mic obviously does not reject sound around you very well at all. So this means you want to use this mic in a quiet environment. This is a sound test from 1 foot away. This is a sound test from 3 feet away. This is a sound test from 6 feet away. Microphone range test. The frequency response test shows that this mic is not limited to simply deep voices or something high-pitched. So it has a diverse range, what makes it useful for, say, recording music, but you have to be very close to the microphone, or useful for maybe you want to do some singing. This may not be advertised as a computer speaker. Hey, but this microphone doesn't work bad. This has been recorded with the auxiliary connection type. And right now I'm using USB connection type, so you're not limited to simply using the auxiliary headphone type connection jack. Blow test. Now putting the wind muff on. Blow test. For USB connection type, the gain control is available on the iRig itself, unlike auxiliary type connection. So for my particular computer, the audio is a Realtek ACL 1220. A lower grade chipset may not sound as good. Your quality will vary. The fox with socks jumped into a box. Its fur shone like the sun. When the fox runs, he runs down, 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 the darkish hole. Now with wind muff off. The fox with socks jumped into a box. Its fur shone like the sun. When the fox runs, he runs down, 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 the darkish hole. The fox with socks jumped into a box. Its fur shone like the sun. When the fox jumps, he runs down, 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 the darkish hole. Now with phone audio. The fox with socks jumped into a box. Its fur shone like the sun. When the fox runs, he runs down, 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 the darkish hole. Mic test as shotgun mic. The fox with socks jumped into a box. Its fur shone like the sun. When the fox runs, he runs down, 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 the darkish hole. Use the metal plate, stick it to your case. Right now I have a textured case on my cell phone, and this thing does stick quite good, very, very strong. So that's not a problem. The magnet is inside the back end here. It's not really going anywhere, especially if you stick it to your computer case. I actually did that myself because I don't have much use for this microphone for recording on the camera. The included app is iRig Recorder. That's something you download through the App Store via the App Store for your Apple phone or your Android using the respective stores. You can record the audio just like so, as you see me recording right now. You can record the audio just like so, as you see me recording right now. So now it's recorded, or I can go to here with my camera Sort my hands in the way. And press record here. And show myself speaking. And record myself like so. Through my cell phone. And press record here. And show myself speaking. And record myself like so. Through my cell phone. But to send, it's kind of hidden right in the corner right up here. You can choose your file format. I can send to these different locations. I can do share with. And different methods of sharing. And for the video, it gives me a slightly different menu. So let's choose video M4A audio. So I can choose storage within the device, Dropbox, OneDrive. This is a video recording using the iRig app. Right now I'm speaking at only about 6 inches away from the mic. Right now at 2 inches away from the mic. And this is normal talking distance. I turned down the gain to number 2 because there was too much noise that was detected by the mic at any higher gain than 2 out of 10. At this moment, I'm 6 inches away, 2 inches away, 2 feet away. This is an audio test using the iRig app from about 2 inches away from the mic with the wind muff on. The fox with socks jumped into a box. Its fur shone like the sun. When the fox runs, he runs down, 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 down the darkish hole. So it seems using the iRig app with this phone might not seem such a bad idea for sound quality recording after all. However, the app itself has many stability issues that need working out. You need to have the gain very low. You have to speak loud or have loud sound to overcome other sounds such as the wind. Another issue, though, I did have is the app itself definitely needs some refinement. Usually this app keeps on, well, especially when doing video recording, crashes, and then you lose all your video footage. On my phone it even stated there. So if this app could get some improvement in stability and usability, it could make recording on your phone at least a definite option for something for good quality audio and maybe vlogging, maybe even playing your musical instrument. But right now, if you want to do recording for video, you can end up getting an error. Your file can end up getting corrupted. I had that issue a couple times, especially on video, where sometimes the audio would only be the thing that would record. Now, if I use the microphone like this, just below, how am I coming through? Of course, one thing you need to do with this microphone is be fairly close for the best sound quality. After this, I'll go to the in-phone audio. Sadly, with the ultra-wide, you can see that mic as I walk along. Right now my mic's on the other side. And let's see if we hear any wind. I'm going to take the wind muff off. Walk fast. Here. Right now I'm using the front camera. The microphone's facing the other direction. Let's see what happens. I turn the gain up and down. Right now we're at 0, going up from 0, going up from 0, going up, and right now we're on 10. This is my front camera. The microphone is on the other side. So this is the iRig mic video using my Olympus OMD M1 Mach 2. This microphone this microphone that's half the price, or just simply stick with built-in audio. And now we're using the Rode Video Micro. How is the sound quality coming through? And now this is the audio over the built-in microphone in this camera. This will take over the audio output of your device. In fact, on my cell phone, if I want to listen to the audio from this using the USB connection, I have to disconnect the device to hear the audio playback. PC. This took over the output audio from my computer, and I was wondering how to fix that. Well, in my case, I had to disable this device as my audio output from my computer. So in conclusion, is this iRig mic video worth your time and money? Well, if in a loud environment, avoid using this. If you're not up close and personal, avoid using this. This is not for recording your game. This is not for a live concert. And this might not be for even a person recording their instrument or vocals. It'll depend. You can't go excessive volume or else the sound just can't take it. You need a dynamic microphone that can stand those louder and quieter sounds. This is for a person doing a commentary. It can be for a person doing vocals or a person adding audio to their video track. This is not a premium mic. It's made of plastic, but it feels durable. It does not have mic tuning. It just has a gain to turn the volume up and down. It, when used through auxiliary jack, will require CR1632 batteries, which should last about 50 hours, maybe longer. And it should turn itself off when you are disconnected from your device or your device is not powered. So it does connect to many devices. It connects to Android, it connects to iPhones, it connects to PC, it connects to your digital SR. It is definitely great value, and for the price, the quality is quite good. It's $159 Canadian, $119 American about at this time of recording. So it does have some price associated with it, but it's an overall good microphone with many connectivity options and fairly well thought out. Thank you for watching, and have yourselves a wonderful day.
This is not BIOS, Tech and Hardware.